Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. Okay, so I'm doing the other two coasters for the coaster set that we did. Just press the I card. I don't know when we did it. Days are a blur, y'all. We're doing the other two coasters, and we did a whole bunch of sprinkles in the last set. And I think I want to kind of do something a little bit different this time. I'm thinking that I want to go for more of a solid color. I have to look at the coasters again, but I think it was... I wish I had them down here with me. I take everything upstairs to show my housemate, and I totally forget... what the hell I did. And I forget to bring them back down. I'm looking at pictures right now. Okay. So the most prominent color in those was purple. So I think that I want to do some purple. Does this have purple in it? Let me see. Is this purple? No, that's pink. Is this one purple? Oh no! Oh, what a disaster. Oh my god, no. It just popped open and spilled all over the desk, all over me. Oh, what a tragedy. I'm gonna save as much of this as I can, because I love this stuff. Okay, so I don't think we're doing purple for the coasters, or if we are, it's probably gonna be a mica powder and not this. So let me recover from the disaster and the devastation that is coursing through my veins right now, and whatever I decide to do for these coasters is what you see. Sorry guys, my mind is blown right now. So yes, let's get started, I guess. Oh my It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding? What? Yeah, I had some leftover resin from today's video and tomorrow's video, which I'm very, very excited for. It's a 2-layer video, and layer 1 is cured, and it's so cool looking so far. So, just stick around. I just decided to pour some of these little planchettes in the Ouija board mold because it was sitting next to me. Oh, pardon me. My 7:30 alarm is going off. Ugh, I don't know why I always forget to turn those alarms off. Okay, lots of bubbles in this clear one, but that's okay. I actually kind of like the way they look. So there we go. Some nice black and clear planchettes. All right. And that's today's, I don't know, bonus unmolding. All right, friends. Beautiful color. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, gorgeous. And the purple will pretty well matches the other purples. Wow, look at that. Oh, stunning. So now I have 4 coasters for my coaster holder. Oh, such a good idea, actually. You know how some women do their nails and then one of the nails is different than the rest of the nails? I kind of like that idea for coasters, too. I don't know why. You know, I'm not revolutionary in this. That has been done many times before. I just never thought to do it. Or, yeah, I really like the way that these look together. So, let's put them in. Actually, we'll do purple and clear. And then purple. And then clear. And we have a perfect set of 4. Oh! Oh, why am I so in love with that? Oh, it looks so good. Anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.